Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Betterment goal tracking for automated money workflow, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Betterment goal tracking for an automated money workflow, start by logging into your Betterment account on the website or app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find an overview of your investments. Look for the Goals section, which allows you to set and track various financial targets. Click on the Add Goal button to create a new financial goal tailored to your needs. You can choose from a selection of predefined goals such as retirement, education, or a major purchase. After selecting a goal, input the target amount you aim to save and the timeline for achieving it. Next, adjust the settings to automate your contributions. Select the funding source, which can be linked directly from your bank account. Set the frequency of your contributions, choosing options like weekly, monthly, or bi-weekly. Confirm your selections and review the estimated timeline for reaching your goal based on these contributions. Once satisfied with your goal setup, click the Create Goal button to finalize it. Go back to the dashboard to ensure your goal is now visible and tracking your progress. To optimize your automated money workflow, revisit your goals periodically to make adjustments as needed. Use the performance metrics provided by Betterment to evaluate if you are on track to meet your target. Additionally, explore any goal-specific recommendations from Betterment to enhance your investment strategy. Celebrate your milestones as you advance toward your targets, keeping motivation high along the way. Engage with Betterment's educational resources to deepen your understanding of goal-oriented investing. This will provide valuable insights to better manage and adjust your financial aspirations. Now you're set to enjoy automated money workflow and take full advantage of Betterment's goal tracking features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.